What if I told you your screen recording is the reason why your videos look amateur? In the next few minutes, I'm about to show you the 5 best screen recording tools, what they are good at, and which one I'd pick. So without any further ado, I'm Brad from Website Learners, and let's get started. The first tool in this list is Video Mule. You can use Video Mule as a Chrome extension. And to get the Chrome extension, you can use the link in the description right below. Alright, as soon as you install the Chrome extension, you will see it right here. So let's click on it, and you will get this recording screen. First, let's select our screen. I'll select this window and click on share. I won't be using my mic or the camera, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And if you scroll down, you will see the option to start recording. And as soon as you click on it, as you can see, we are going to start recording our screen. Now, we are going to do some actions right here. As soon as you're done recording the screen, you can just click here to stop the recording. Okay, as you can see, we have a preview for the video we recorded. And if you scroll down here, you can see 3 options. The first option is open an editor, and if you click on it, it will open this editing section where you can edit the video you recorded. And the second option is add an AI voice. If you remember, we didn't record a voice. So if you click on this option, the AI will generate a voiceover for you for this entire video, and it will sync it along with the visual. And the final option is download the video. So first, let's download the video. Now, before we started editing this video, I told you there's another option called AI voice. So let's check it out. If I click on add AI voice, we'll get this page where we can see our video is already uploaded here. Now, give a title for your video. And here you have the option to choose the language you want. You have multiple options here, but I'll just leave it as English. And if you click here, you'll have multiple voices to choose from. You can just preview one by clicking here.
Hello, this is Video Mule. You're now hearing a preview of this voice.
I like it, so I'll just click on it and click on confirm. And if you scroll down again, here you'll have the option to generate the script. Let me click on that. As you can see, the video is being processed and we'll see how it turns out. All right, we have the video right here. And here you can see it has generated a complete script for the video. Okay, now let's click on generate voiceover, and it's processing the AI voiceover for our video. And there we go. I think the voiceover is ready and it's synced with the visuals perfectly.
Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to remove the background from any picture in just a few clicks. This is super useful when you need clean product photos, professional head.
There you go guys. As you can see, the video is cut and the voiceover is added and it looks natural. That's pretty cool. So let's export the video by clicking here. As you can see, it is exporting right here. And it's done. You can just click here to download the video. And our video is downloaded. Now let's talk about the pricing. Using the Video Mule Chrome extension, you can actually screen record for free. But if you want to use the AI features like AI voice generation and AI editing, then you have to get the paid plan. So the paid plans are right here, and you can check out whichever plan that suits you the best. Now let's click on open in editor. All right, we are in this editing area, and here you can see a lot of options. You can change the background, add zoom effects, trim any portions of the video, and you can directly export this video right from your browser by clicking on export. Now it's completely free and there are no hidden costs. First, let's talk about the background. Here you can see we have a lot of options, and you can just choose which background you want and pick the color you like. Okay, next, if you see here, there's an option called add a segment. If you click on it, you have 2 more options. First, let's look at zoom. So if you click on zoom, it adds a layer right here. And let's say if I place the layer around here, and if I play the video, you can see the video gets zoomed into a particular area. Now, if you want to zoom in even more, you can just click on this layer and automatically you will get these options. You can even increase the depth of the zoom by clicking on the slider here and dragging it like this. Now, if I play the video, you can see it zooms in even more. Now, similarly, you can trim a portion of the video by clicking on add a segment. And if you click on trim, it adds another layer like this. You can just place the layer anywhere you want. I'll just place it at the end of the video. And if I click play here, you'll notice the video is clipping at this particular portion. Now, if you're satisfied with the video, you can just click on export and you can export the video in 4K without any watermark. Okay. And if you click on start export, the video starts exporting. And there we go. Our video is exported. Okay. Now let's move on to the second tool, which is Screenity. Now, Screenity is also a Chrome extension which you can download by clicking the link below in the video. Alright, as soon as you install the Chrome extension, you'll be able to access it right here. So click here and click on Trinity. Alright, now it'll ask you permission to access the camera and the microphone, but I'll just keep it as it is and click on Start Recording. Now it's asking me to select the window I want to share. I'll select this, click on Share, and it's starting the recording. The best part about Trinity is this. It has a lot of features which you can use while you already record the video. For example, let's say you want to highlight something on the screen. So you just click on this icon, click here, and highlight what you want to see. Alright. Likewise, if you want to avoid seeing certain things on the screen, you can just click on this icon, click here, and click on what you want to blur. Alright. So if you want to highlight your mouse cursor, you can do that too. Just click on this icon, click on the mouse cursor, and you can see it only highlights the mouse cursor area. Alright, once you're done with the recording, you can just click on stop and the recording will be saved here. As you can see, we have a preview of the video that we recorded right now. And let's say you want to edit the video. So to do that, just click on edit video and here you can see the timeline. So let's say you want to trim a portion of the video. So just select that portion like this and click on trim video. And there you go. Now if you want to save the changes, just click on save changes. And if you want to download the video, just click here, give it a name, and click on save. And there you go. Your video is being downloaded. Now Trinity is completely free to use. So that means you can record, edit, and download as many videos as you want. So make use of it. So let's go to the third tool on the list, which is Descript. Descript is like a multi-purpose tool. Not only can it record your screen, it can correct your mistakes, make changes, and enhance the audio quality with the help of AI. So to use the tool, I've given a link in the description. Just click on it. And once you create an account, you'll get this Descript dashboard. Now, if you click on record, you'll see multiple options right here. I'll just select the second option, which is to record the screen with my visual on it. Now just select the screen which you want to share. I'll just select this one and click on share. And now click on record again. As you can see, the recording has started and we can do our work. And once you're done with the recording, you can just go back to the same tab and click on stop recording right here. As you can see, we have the preview of the video here and the video is transcribed right here. Now let me show you a very cool feature. As you can see, in this particular frame, we are able to see the screen and the camera. But let's say for this particular line, I want to change the layout and I want to only see the camera. So when I select the line, I get this option called change layout. So if I click on it, I'll have different options right here. I'll just select on camera, and if I play the video right here, as you can see, the layout has been changed and right now you can only see the camera in this particular line. There are a lot more things that you can do right here. For example, let's say you want to enhance the quality of the entire audio. So all you have to do is just click on Ctrl A or Command A, go to AI tools, and here you have an option called Studio Sound. If you click on it, and if you turn it on right here, you'll notice that the audio is processing. What happens is it'll remove all the unwanted noise in the audio track, so your audio is clean and crisp. Now to edit the video, you don't have to manually cut the clips in the timeline right here. All you have to do is just select the portion in the transcript. Let's say I don't want this particular line. I'll just select this line. And if I click on delete, that whole portion on the video timeline and on the audio timeline gets deleted. In Descript, you can create 60 minutes of content for free every single month. But if you want more, you can always go for their paid plans. So these are the paid plans, so you can check them out and choose the one that suits you the best. So with that, we can go to the fourth tool, which is Tela.tv. Now Tela is an easy to use screen recording tool, which has all the cool features like editing the video, adding effects, enhancing the audio quality, and changing the layout. So to check it out, you can click the link in the description below. And once you click the link and log into the website, you'll get this dashboard. Now you have two options here. You can either record a new video or upload an existing video. So I'll just click on record a new video. Now click on continue here, and now you have this page where the camera is already on. So first you have to select share screen, select the window that you want to share, click on share, and you can see we have a preview right here. And now if you click on record, the recording is starting. Okay. And once you're done with the recording, you just go back to the same tab and click on stop recording. And here you have the option to preview the video. So if you click on that, you get this preview page. Here you can see we have a lot of features. So let's go through them one by one. First is the background. And if you click here, you have a lot of options to choose from. You can just pick what you like. And if you click on cut, you can edit the video. You can see a timeline here and you can edit the video, select what you like and trim certain areas. For example, let's say I'll place this here. And if I click on split, it separates the entire timeline into 2 different clips. So likewise, if you go to layout, you have the option to change the layout of the screen. For example, if I click on this, it only shows me the camera. And if I click on this, you can see it shows me like this. And if I click on the first option, we can see the screen and the camera together. Likewise, we also have the zoom option. We can just click here, click on add zoom, and it creates a layer like this. We can just place it wherever we want. Let's say I'll place it right here. And if I click on play, you can see that particular portion is getting zoomed in. And once you're done with all the edits and changes, you can just download the video by clicking here. And then scroll down and click download. And that's it. Our video is downloaded. Tela only has a 7-day free trial, and after those 7 days, you have to get a paid plan. So talking about the paid plans, we have 2 plans. You can choose the one which suits you the best. And with that, we can move on to the final tool in the list, which is Focusy. Focusy is another AI-based screen recording tool which has a lot of features to offer. But unlike the other tools, it is not a web app. You have to download it. So to download it, just click the link below this video and you'll get this page. Now click on free download, and as soon as you download the app, you'll get this small window. Now you have the option to record the entire screen or choose what you want to record or a particular window or a particular device. I'll just select full screen and click on continue recording. As you can see, we have a camera and this bar here. So let's start the recording. Let's go to Chrome and click on rec. And the recording is going to begin. And once you're done with the recording, just click on stop. And we have got this preview right here. You also have other options, and like in the previous tools, we have the option to change the background. Let's see how it is. You just click here and the background is changed. You can enhance the audio quality. You can change the layout. You can just click here and choose the layout which you like. I'll just keep it as it is. If you want to add any effects, you can just hover the cursor here and you will see these icons. If I click here, it'll add the zoom effect. And if I click here, it's adding the full screen effect. So that's it. If you're satisfied with the video, to export it, you can just click here and download the video. You cannot use Focusy for free. It is a paid tool and you have to use it on a subscription basis. So these are the plans. You can check them out and choose the plan which suits you the best. So that's it, guys. These are the 5 best screen recording tools out there and you can try it and check them out. And do let me know what video you want to see next in the comments below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.